Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best folding table square is probably one of the most versatile and convenient furniture pieces you can own, perfect for everything from picnics in the park to crafting sessions in your living room, transforming any space into a functional and stylish area for work, dining, or play, and its lightweight and foldable design makes storage a breeze, ensuring it's always ready when you need it. Number 5. Flash Furniture Madelyn Table. It's perfect for any occasion. Use it for family gatherings, parties, or game nights. It's so versatile. Gather your friends and family for a fun game night. Its perfect size accommodates everyone comfortably. The padded vinyl top keeps everything in place, even during the most intense card games. No more sliding cards. It's lightweight and folds easily for storage and transport. Take it anywhere. With its generous size, it comfortably seats up to 4 players. Enjoy your games and gatherings. No assembly is required. Simply unfold it and start enjoying. It's ready to use right out of the box. What we like? It has a padded top to protect your game pieces and surfaces. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it easy to transport and store. If you frequently host game nights or small gatherings and need a convenient seating solution for 4, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The chairs and table are padded and vinyl covered, so should be easy to clean. They seem sturdy. The table seems very sturdy for a card table. I sat in a chair, and it was very comfortable, with the back hitting me at just the right place to support my lumbar region. As for the sturdiness, when not one but 2 guests knocked over their wine glasses, the table never moved. The table and chairs fit nicely in a closet. Number 4. Flash Furniture Elon Table. Need extra space for your guests? It offers a reliable solution for indoor or outdoor events, home, school, or business. It comfortably seats up to 4 people, perfect for parties, conferences, or trade shows. It adapts to various settings with ease. Its foldable design with locking legs makes transportation and storage simple. Plus, the floor caps protect your floors. Made with a thick, waterproof tabletop and durable legs, it's built to last through years of use, indoors or out. No assembly is needed. It supports up to 220 pounds and is ready to use right out of the box for your next event. From barbecues to corporate events, it's the ideal choice for any gathering, big or small. Set up quickly and easily. What we like? This table boasts a waterproof and impact-resistant tabletop, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. The sturdy construction and locking legs ensure stability and longevity. If you're looking for a reliable table for various events, regardless of the weather, this is your best bet. What people say. Very sturdy, heavy, but not unmanageable. Easy to fold and unfold. 2 legs go down at once, rather than one at a time. Great for dining and card games. When I was a kid, these tables were called card tables. And they have so many uses. You can play cards at them, work jigsaw puzzles, use for storage, dining, play table for kids, extra storage table. There are a multitude of uses. Super heavy duty and sturdy, a waterproof, * stain resistant, * gray locking legs, * maximum weight is 220 pounds, * seats 4 adults comfortably. This table's cover is 1.75 granite. It is nice, smooth, and looks goods. The legs are strong and sturdy and come with protective floor caps. The table measures approximately 34W x 34D x 29H. The table comes assembled and is easy to slide in your car to use at sales, work, or lend out to someone. It folds up nicely and is easy to store if not in use. Number 3. MECO Stakmore Card Table. It's made of high-quality solid wood, so it's built to last and looks great doing it. This ensures years of use and adds a touch of elegance to any room. The timeless design will complement any home decor. It's simple yet sophisticated, perfect for any occasion. When it's folded, it's only 3.375 inches deep. You can easily store it away in a closet, under a bed, or against a wall. It's ready to use right out of the box. No assembly is needed, so you can start enjoying it immediately. Open, it provides ample space for games, food, or anything you need. Folded, it's incredibly compact for easy storage. It's the perfect size for any gathering. What we like. Made from high-quality solid wood, it offers a touch of elegance and durability. It folds incredibly flat for easy storage. If you appreciate classic style and need a space-saving option for your home, this is the one for you. Number 2. Stakmore Cherry Card Table. It features a distinctive scalloped edge, adding a touch of timeless elegance to any gathering. This makes it a standout piece for your home. Crafted from top-tier solid wood, it's exceptionally durable and sturdy. You can enjoy it for years to come. It's perfect for game nights, holiday dinners, or extra seating. It effortlessly transforms any space into a welcoming hub. The rich cherry-colored frame exudes warmth and sophistication. It enhances the beauty of any interior decor. When not in use, simply fold it away for compact storage. It's ideal for smaller spaces or those who appreciate a clutter-free environment. This table is easy to set up and put away, making it perfect for any occasion. Enjoy its beauty and functionality. What we like. This table features a unique scalloped edge, adding a touch of sophistication to any setting. It's made from durable solid wood. If you value both style and durability and want to make a statement at your gatherings, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It stores well and has a beautiful color. It is lightweight but very sturdy. It's so solid. No wobbling, smooth finish, no overpowering chemical odor. Receive this today. It is very solid hardwood top. Leg hardware, very sturdy folding if simple. Great for cards and puzzles. Not wobbly but do not overload. Legs have non-scratch feet pads. Number 1. ZenStyle 3 feet folding table. It's ready to use right out of the box. Simply unfold it and you're all set. The legs fold neatly and lock into place for easy storage and portability. Take it with you on your next picnic. With its sleek design, it offers ample space for 4 adults. The smooth surface is perfect for cards, games, crafts, or anything else you need. Made from heavy-duty, high-density polyethylene, it's 20% thicker and stronger than comparable tables. The waterproof and scratch-resistant surface is a breeze to clean, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Powder-coated steel legs with a reinforced design provide exceptional strength and stability. The unique tabletop design ensures it can handle up to 300 pounds, and the protective foot caps prevent scratches and slipping. Use it as a card table, craft table, picnic table, or even a laptop desk. It's perfect for parties, camping trips, or any indoor or outdoor gathering. What we like. It's built to last with heavy-duty construction and can hold up to 300 pounds. The easy-to-clean surface is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. If you need a sturdy and versatile table for various activities, and don't mind a more industrial look, this is the ideal option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.